Hello, Peanut Peeps. It's Peanut Chew at Peanut Chew Adventures. This video is about short-eared owls, and I love them. And I'm going to show you my winter with them. So, let's go to the video. I'm in my favorite place for wintering raptors. It's cold out, but so peaceful, and so rewarding. This curious eastern bluebird looks on to say, "What are you looking for?" I reply, "Short-eared owls, of course." As this northern harrier peruses the grassland for food, he says, "What about me? I am just as good as that yellow-eyed, big-headed owl that is taking my food. We both love that furry delicacy, voles." Out in the distance, I see the short-eared owl. They like to hunt over open areas, hovering a few feet above the ground, then pouncing when prey is located. And many times, they come up empty-handed. I am really enjoying flying around in this great weather. Hey, who hit me in the butt? The short-eared owl is quite different than all other owls. First, short-eared owls have a flight not like other owls. It's erratic. Often described as moth-like, it flaps its wings high in a slow, floppy fashion. Secondly, they favor a different type of habitat than most owls. While many owls seek deep, dense forests, short-eared owls prefer to make their homes in mostly flat, treeless terrain like marshes, tundras, swamps, and grasslands. This hungry owl sees something and swoops down to get his prey. But it's a failure again. After all the energy used, this creature needs to take a time out on the nearest branch. Still hungry, this shorty turns and dives down, hoping to bring home dinner. I see faintly. Can it be? Will it be a success? Yes! As the voles pull from the mouth and put securely in the talons, it's not going anywhere. And the grass owl is not going to bed hungry as he flies up to a perch, looking around, making sure no other birds of prey are around to steal it. Other common names for the short-eared owl are grass owl, marsh owl, prairie owl, and shorties. Then the opportunity comes. The hungry bird takes his prize so it could be eaten in peace. Another hungry shorty goes down looking for a vole. Looks like he comes up empty, but shake it off. You'll have better luck next time. After coming out empty, a well-deserved break is in order as this owl flies onto a stick. When you get a meal and you don't escape in time, Your buddies come to see if you are willing to share, and they are rather relentless. Another guy rapidly cruises the ice-covered grasslands, looking impatiently to satisfy its hunger before the end of the day. They can move quickly, having a wingspan of about 40 inches. Females and males are similar in size and color, though the females tend to be larger and darker. This shorty is searching hard for some food. The vole is captured, and a quick getaway is on this owl's mind. The hope is that none of his friends will notice. A great spot on the ground is found, and this snack can be enjoyed. Now it's nearing the end of the day. Sunset is soon approaching, and this owl is cruising high up to see what is around. This bird may appear to be floating, but is actually riding on rising columns of warm air known as thermals. Soaring birds can use this rising air to gain elevation and remain aloft for extended periods of time without flapping their wings. Oh, this day does not end before one more skirmish takes place between the owl and the northern harrier. Many times the harrier will prevail and take the food from the owl. The short-eared owl's population changes from year to year based on their food supply. Breeding occurs in March through June. This is the end of my time with the short-eared owls. I want to say thank you to this beautiful bird, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next year. Some people have come to me and said, I want to do video, I just don't know where to get started. I haven't done before. Well, I'm producing another video on how I made this video using the Z9. And I'm going to go step by step from start until finish to show how to make a video. someone who's new, this might be something helpful. So if it is, I'll see you in 3 weeks.